Good morning students. Again welcome back in computer class. So let's start the chapter number 5, that is a presentation software and introduction. So let's learn to make presentation in PowerPoint. So first thing is that presentation program. So presentation program allow us to create documents like presentation which are used to communicate ideas, messages and other information to a group. The presentations can be viewed as a slides that are displayed on a large monitor or on a projection screen. The individual page of presentation is called a slide, and a group of slides on any one topic is called presentation. So generally we use one software as a presentation software. We call it as a MS PowerPoint. So it is a presentation program developed by Microsoft, and a PowerPoint presentation is also known as slideshow. Actually, a PowerPoint contains several tools for creating a presentation. So we can add tables, charts, pictures, videos, sound and animation effect in our presentation using PowerPoint. It provides a various view to create, organize, view and display our presentation also. Now the next is features of PowerPoint. So first one is word processing. So we can create bulleted list, combine words and images, find and replace text also, and use multiple fonts and type sizes also. So next is outlining. So we can make our own presentation using an outline text format. Next is chart. So we can make our presentation interesting by using charts also. Next, drawing. So we can create shapes such as arcs, arrow, cubes, rectangles, stars and triangles also. Add multimedia. Multimedia is related to images, pictures, photos, sound, video clips. So we are able to add these things in our presentation also. Next is web export. So we can save our presentation in HTML and show it on the web also. Now next is how we can start a MS PowerPoint. So first step is, again, this is a taskbar, downside bottom. This is a taskbar. You have to click on start button. After that, click on all programs. Then click on Microsoft Office. Then click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So this is a MS PowerPoint window. So with the help of several items displayed in the PowerPoint window, we can perform our task efficiently. So number one is quick access toolbar. This one, we call it as a quick access toolbar. It displays the quick access button to save, to undo and redo. And the next is a title bar. We call it as a title bar. That is a presentation one, Microsoft PowerPoint. We call it as a title bar. It shows the name of the displayed presentation. Next is file tab. We call it as a file tab. This one here, the Office button, because it's a 2007 version, but in 2010 you can see here file tab. So file tab, when you click on the file tab, a backstage view appear which resemble a menu. In backstage view you will a list of commands such as save, open, print, close. So if you click on Office button, you can see these all options also available in 2007. After that, next is ribbon. So this is a ribbon. It's a full content, we call it as a ribbon. This one, full content, we call it as a ribbon. So display a group of related commands in tabs, and each tab offers shortcut buttons to common tasks. Next is window control button. There are the 3 window control buttons. This one, these are the Windows control button. So use these button to minimize the program window, restore the window to full size and close the window. Next is outline and slide tab. So this is the outline tab and this is the slide tab. So provide 2 ways of viewing the slide in your presentation, such as first one is outline. This is the outline view. And the second is slide. This one, that is a thumbnail or miniature view of the slides. Now next is slide pane. So this is the slide pane, this one. So display a large view of the current slide on the right side of the window. So we can also enter text, graphic and animation in the slide pane. So this is the slide pane. Next is zoom control. So this is the zoom control. You can see this one. Now here 65%. So this here the minus sign and here the plus sign. We call it as a zoom control. The next is splitter. So we can adjust the width of the slide pane by dragging the splitter bar. So this is the splitter bar, this one. So you can adjust the size. You can see here the double-sided arrow. After that, press the left button of your mouse and drag it. So you can increase the size also and you can decrease the size also according to your requirement. Now next is note pan. So this is a note pan, this one. Here the written, click to add notes. So display the notes for the current slide. This is a text area that consists of a notes meant for you or remarks to share with your audience. That means you can add here some extra text, some extra knowledge, some extra points also regarding a particular slide. Next is status bar. So this is a status bar. You can see here written slide 1 of 1, office theme, then English, India. So this is a status bar. Next is view button. So this is a view button near to zoom button. So these are the view buttons. So allow you to quickly change the way your presentation is displayed on the screen. Normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, slideshow view are the 4 main views of presentation. Last is text placeholder. So allow you to type titles, body text and bulleted list in the slide. So this is a slide, first page in a presentation we call it as a slide. So in this slide you can add a title, subtitle, you can add bulleted list also, you can add image also, you can add video clip also, whatever you want to do and you want to make a presentation, everything you have to perform in this area only. So this is the text placeholder area. So next topic is creating a blank presentation with design theme. So theme is a look, color and graphic of the slides in your presentation. So you can select a particular design theme using the design tab on the ribbon. I already defined this is the ribbon. In this ribbon you can see the multiple tabs. So you can select a third tab, that is your design tab. If you click on it, so you can see the different themes available in MS PowerPoint. So question is that creating a blank presentation using design themes. So first of all, you have to open the MS PowerPoint window. After that, click on design tab from the ribbon and you can select the any design theme, anyone according to your requirement. Let us suppose I want to select this one. After that, click on it and now it's applied. And slide view you can also see. So these are the simple steps to creating a blank presentation with design theme. Next is how you can create a title slide. So first slide we call it as a title slide. So PowerPoint assume that every new slide has a title. Any text type after a new slide display becomes title text in the title text placeholder. This is the title text placeholder and this is the subtitle text placeholder. So if you want to write down anything in title, so you have to place your mouse pointer on it and click, and whatever you want to write down in title you can type. And for the subtitle also same method, place your mouse pointer on the subtitle box placeholder. After that, click the left button of your mouse and whatever you want to type you can type it. So this is the simple method to creating the title slide. I just type here roughly, you can type according to your requirement. Next is how you can add a new slide to a presentation. So simple method is that click on home tab. After that there is a 2 button. First is new slide and second this button. You have to click on it. Now this is the second slide. If you want to more slide, then again click on this button. So rest part of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you.